Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made. Yuko, step by step.
The deep vortices ensure a perfect blend. This precise mechanical mixing guarantees the optimal balance.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. Rerouting the flow now.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
The throughput on lane 3 is up 12%.
Good, let's reroute the priority shipments through there. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pepsi is made, or eat, from start to finish.